Well, the chicken's on. The chicken's done. I do it like I usually do. I don't make theirs crispy. I threw it all out in the yard. All theirs out in the yard. They got about 15 pieces out there right now. It's cooked to their liking. I even threw 2 pieces down next to the Cadillac for the kittens and Mama baby girl. Sunshine's got her a piece right there beside of her. It's just hot. They're letting it cool. It's already getting dark on me. It's already getting dark on me. Elvira's laying there being patient, letting it cool. She's got a piece laying there next to her. She's walking up, going to check it out now. That ain't Elvira, that's Blackjack. Bubba's going to wait for me to tear him some off. What are you doing, Bubba? I know you can smell it. I know you can smell it. What are you doing, buddy? Mama B's going to wait for me to tear her some off. It's starting to cool down enough now they can fool with it. I don't blacken theirs like I do mine. Which I've got them some more here in my lap. I'll eat the skin off of it and I'll bite off pieces and I'll give it to Bubba and Mama B. And if Sunshine don't eat her piece, I'll bite her some off, give it to her too. It's getting so dark I can see better through the phone than I can with my eyes. Look how beautiful they are. You're a pretty boy, Blackjack. Look how shiny. Blackjack just glistens like diamonds. Beautiful kitty cats. Beautiful, innocent blessings from God. God bless everybody and have a great night.